Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the model project that I'm doing, the Polar Lights 1/350 scale, the USS Enterprise, NCC 1701. It's been a while since I did an update. Let me tell you why. I don't know where you guys live, but where we live, it's been cold and miserable and snowy. And I usually do the painting on the deck, and I haven't been able to do that. So, let me show you, to give you like a little recap of what I've done so far, the update. Here's the primary hull. It's painted, and the weathering decals have been put on. I've attached the neck, or the primary hull pillar. That's all painted and ready to go. Let me show you the underneath. Sorry about that, a little bit of dust. You can see the weathering decals are on the bottom as well. And when I was working on it, the little cannon underneath had broken off, and unfortunately, I don't know where it went. I can't seem to find it. I probably should have waited to put that on. Let's turn it back over. And there's the primary hull. Moving on, the nacelles are all done. They're all finished and ready to be put onto the secondary hull. And the grids. Let me show you the other side. Come out nice. I'll show you the other one real quick. Now this model kit does come painted, colored. However, I like the battleship gray a little bit better, and I primed and painted over it. This actually is darker than what the model color of the plastic comes. I thought this looked better. Very much looking forward to putting her together. Right now I'm working on the secondary hull, and I'm in the process of hollowing it out. Now you guys that have done this model, and you put the lights in, the deluxe lighting kit, you know that putting the lights onto the shuttle bay can be a little tight. And when you try to get it into the secondary hull, there really is not a lot of room. So let me show you the way I had done it. The way I wired it, I put the lights on, I used the glue gun, and I put some compound to keep it solid. Let me see if I can go ahead and show you guys the inside. Probably, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the hangar bay. That's pretty cool. But there is a lack of room. You guys who've done it know what I'm talking about. And I got to razor thin the secondary hull in the back just to try to get it to close around this. You can see the shuttle bay. I decided to do it the Galileo. The detail on this is pretty cool. Basically, in a nutshell, that's where I'm at. And I got the secondary hull, and that pretty much will bring it all together. The next video I do will probably either do the secondary hull, or I might do the deflector dish, because there's not a lot in the deflector dish, and I might be able to prime that in the house. But that'll be another video. And I thank you guys for checking out the update. And like I said, I didn't forget about it. Because of the weather, I just haven't been able to work on it that much. So Thanks for watching. Keep on trekking, everybody.